Taking off the door panel is pretty easy. These top ones, we just pop off. Same here. Now with the flathead screwdriver, behind here is a little panel we pop off. Just like that. And then one right behind this handle. There we go. Behind each cover are 10mm bolts, 2 down here, 1 up here. Now the whole panel is just clipped on. This handle stays here. Up and out. And we can unclip the electrical connector in the back. There we go. Just pinch and pull. And really this can just stay right there. You don't have to pull it all the way off. Behind this little fuzzy white cover, pop that away. Try to slowly peel it because we can re-stick it. And here's our window motor. On our electrical connector, there's this little blue locking tab. I want to pull that off. There we go. Just looks like this. I can disconnect the electrical connector, push and pull. There we go. Now everything else is 10mm. We'll undo the window from the track. Do the motor. And we have 2 lower track bolts and 1 upper track bolt. Pull our window up off the track. I'm gonna get a piece of tape. We'll just hold this in place. So I don't have a piece of tape, so I'm just gonna use a wedge in between this weather stripping. We just wanna hold the window up out of the way for us. So that's weird. Looks like a knee pad. Not sure why that's in there. Yours won't have that. That's interesting. So we just pull this out. Gotta pull our paper off the rest of the way. Angle it in this direction. There we go. You can see the cabling fell apart on this one. All right, make sure the new one matches the old one. There are different options depending if you have the crew cab or the extended cab. And we'll feed this in. There we go. Okay, we'll feed our 2 bottom studs in. Nice. Get our nuts on. And our top bolt. That top bolt, we're gonna put a little bit of Loctite on. Looks like it had Loctite on before. Reapply. And same with these nuts. A little bit of Loctite on both threads. Then our motor bolt, Loctite on that too. We'll tighten those down. Or I'll feed our window onto the track. I'm just gonna hold it from down below, pull out my wedge, slowly lower it. There we go. I'm gonna plug it in, put my little locking tab on. There we go. Now I need to lower the window a little to get access to our window bolts. I'm just gonna pop this out real quick, plug it in, just roll down our window. There we go. And tighten up our window to track bolts. Okay, that's it. Let's make sure our window goes up and down. All the way up. All the way down. Nice. Let's put our door back together. See if that can stick back as much as possible. Take this back off. Set this in. Line up all our clips. Give it a tap. Throw our bolts back in. Tighten those down. Get our electrical connector. Clip it in. Nice. Our bolt caps can only go on one way. They have a little pin here or a dowel that lines up with a hole. Put that in. Snap. Same with the other one. Okay. And our side trims just snap in. Nice. Make sure our window still goes up and down. Perfect.